नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, भाइयों बहनों, आदरणीय, सम्माननीय, माननीय लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पूजनीय श्रोतागण, स्टूडेंट्स, स्कॉलर्स, colleagues, friends, players, doctors, officials, ministers, learners, listeners, सभी आदर व सम्मान के योग श्रोतागण, all around the world, those who are listening, I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Really, heartily, cordially, I thank all of you, those who are listening, because today we are learning, knowing the truth of the word of science and spirituality through the different instances, examples. We can understand on some extent about the truth of our soul and super soul, sorry, and God, who is always with us, always present in every form, shape, size, figure, and also He is figureless, shapeless, sizeless, colorless. He is internally, externally, has His existence. How we can understand His existence? It is really a mysterious thing, and it is a kind of mystery. Mystery must be mystery, no doubt. But if we have the power to think, then we must use the thinking power, power of thought, power of ideas in the right direction. If we are human being, then we must try to investigate, try to probe the things that are unceasing, unstopping and unrelenting in our body and mind. After dying, after death, our some internal organs are transplanted, but one thing that cannot be transplanted, that is the thought, mind. Mind cannot be transplanted. That's why it is our identity. Man is man by mind. Not only by mind, but the superior and the most different thing that we have, that is mind. There is three kind of mind we study in science: conscious, subconscious and unconscious mind. The power of our subconscious mind on some extent can be understood, not entirely. Conscious mind is that mind through which you are listening, speaking, reading, writing, thinking, perceiving, feeling. All these things are reported by mind. This is the conscious mind. Subconscious mind, while our dream, when we are sleeping and dreaming something, that is subconscious mind. What is going inside, that is our subconscious mind. We are not speaking, but just we are thinking, means first ideas that are coming, that is the role of subconscious mind that is playing. But one thing, that is unconscious mind. That mind is the mind. Actually, that state is not the presence of mind. When we become mindless, sometimes some persons say mental. Mental means, it means not that the person does not have mind. He has mind, but he has gone into the unconscious mind. Unconscious. This unconscious position are created by the doctors. When doctors operate any part of our body, then they create the unconscious position of the cell by injecting. But for making the whole body unconscious, for going in that position where there is only soul and spiritual soul, super soul meet, there is a meeting of only two powers. One power is soul, second power is super soul. Where there is not body, where there is no mind, where there is no wave even. Waves on some extent we can say, because we are human being, we are student, we are studying. If we are doctors, we are researchers, scientists, then on some extent we think we can understand through the waves, but that position is the existence and the meeting of the soul and super soul is also in the power of waveless also. He is also available in the waveless position. That is also the form of him, where there is no difference, where there is no classification between soul and super soul. Nobody can understand that position. Like that, we can take the example of an ocean. Different rivers comes from ocean. How? Because the water that comes in the river, after evaporation, after rainfall, it reaches into the rivers, and the same rivers when merge into the ocean, so there is no existence of the river and the ocean, both are same, but name is superb there. There is the name of the ocean, not the name of rivers. There is not the name of rivers. So all brand levels are abolished, uprooted, but only and only remains the ocean. Like that, the creation and destruction both comes by the light and sound. God himself created in the form of light, for creating this world, and when he will destroy this world, it will be also possible, and the devastation, disasters comes by not awareing and not awakening about the sound and light. This sound and light, if exist, there is the presence of God. If sound and light not exist, there is also the presence of God. He was, He is, He will. He never goes away from us, because there is no word to define Him. Nothing is there to classify between soul and super soul and God. So one, He is one, He was one, He is one, and He will one. It is rightly said, He is fearless, He is friendly, and rightly said in Punjabi that Nirpay, Nirvair, Ajuni Sehpang, Aad Sach, Jugad Sach, Nanak hai bhi sach, hosi bhi sach. Means in past, present, future, He is, He was, He will. So there is no classification of time is required for that, because in all kinds of the classifications He exists. So we cannot divide Him in any calendar, in any time, in any date, in any minute, second. These are just the classification of time, and He never comes in the form of classification of time. He is also lives in the time immemorial, where there was no counting of time. He was existing also there. So how we can bound, how we can say that He was, He is, He will? Nothing, it is all. So for reaching at the height of the truth, we are to go and come. We are to go and come. So we can take a story for knowing the presence of God. Once there was a saint. He gave a birth to a believer, and one more bird was there. He gave to the non-believer. Actually, saint does not do such kind of things, but just we are imagining here, and this is the imaginative story. Saint says that you are to kill these two birds. You are believer, you are to kill, and you are non-believer, you are to also kill. They carry the bird at the place, but one condition you are to follow. Before killing them, you are to kill them where there is no existence of God. You are to kill at that place. But one was the believer, who was the real believer. He could not kill. But one who was the non-believer, he was just a believer by the words. As he listened the word, idea came in his mind that here is no presence of any person. I am to kill, and I'll hand over it to the saint. So he did so. But what about the believer? Who was the true believer? He was not by the mind, not by the word, he was by the heart. So he thought that here is not the presence of God. But one thing is available here, God is also exist here, because He is reside in soundless and lightless position also. But here is light in the form of eyes. His eyes are watching me, and my eyes are watching Him. My eyes are watching it. How can I kill? So he could not kill, because he was believer. God was in his passion, in his emotion, in his heart. So the presence of God, scent of God